I'm Natalie Fowler and I'm a critical care scientist at Manchester University's NHS Foundation Trust. So I work in critical care, which is intensive care, as well as A&E and theatres and delivery unit. We are specially trained healthcare scientists that are involved in the advanced and non-routine therapies and monitoring that's used when looking after a critical care patient. No, there's a large team of us that work there. Currently there's 12 of us that cover adults, paediatrics and neonates. We work with loads of professional groups, doctors, nurses, physios and all of the other people that are involved in the MDT on critical care. I was working as a cardiographer in the NHS and my boss at the time directed me towards the scientist training programme, which sparked my interest. So I'd done a bit of private first aid work with the ambulance service and I really enjoyed the ECGs that we were doing, and that spurred me to go into cardiographer. Critical care really appealed for me with the mix of technical and clinical expertise, and the fact that our intensive care patients are the sickest in the hospital relies on us having a really well-rounded knowledge. We get involved with loads of different projects on critical care. I really like the research side, working with the research teams. Particularly recently we'd look at trialling an inline blood gas analyzer which would reduce the amount of blood wasted when we take tests from our patients. And that was really interesting to work not only with the NHS but with a manufacturer of a product. I think the biggest challenge for healthcare scientists is public knowledge. So not everybody is aware of what we do, but that means we have a really exciting role to promote that within our field. And I enjoy getting involved with Healthcare Science Week and with Twitter and things to promote what we do. The most rewarding thing about our role is working with patients. Within intensive care, people are really sick and they need a lot of help, and that often comes with very emotional relatives. So being able to provide some support and making them feel a little bit calmer is always rewarding. I think it would be to never be put off by negativity and to use it to drive yourself forward and be more motivated. So at MFT we always do a lot for Healthcare Science Week, and we've got lectures going on for a lot of school children and teachers. We've got a mini careers fair which we host a stand at about critical care science, and we're also doing a Twitter takeover for what we do during an average day, which will be really exciting.